Kia ora koutou, Reese from QuickSense here, and today we're looking at the cosine rule. So the formula for the cosine rule, it starts off pretty familiar, which is c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. And now we're going to add on something else. We're minusing two lots of a times b times cos theta. So in the same way as we're going to label A, B, and C in a right angle triangle, that is, if I have my triangle here, my right angle here, C is the hypotenuse. It's the side opposite the right angle. So we're going to think about not the right angle, but the angle. So C is opposite. So C here is 5. If C is 5, then A and B are the other, and it doesn't matter which way around it is. So let's go A is 3 and B is 7. It's going to work either way. And so that means I can now substitute into my formula. All right, C is 5. Oh, that should be on the outside. Minus 2 lots of we're going to rearrange this to try and make theta the subject by subtracting this whole section from this side, or adding this whole section to this side, and subtracting this from the left-hand side. Getting, I'm going to move this over to underneath the diagram now. 2 times 3 times 7. 6 times 7 is 42. Cos theta equal to 9 plus 49 is 56. 58 minus 5 squared is 25. Okay, so theta, I'm going to do 2 steps here at once. That becomes 33 divided by 42. And we've got rid of the cos by doing inverse cos. Okay, so what's that equal to? Well, now I'm going to need my calculator. So 33 divided by 42, inverse cos is 38 to 2 decimal places, 21 degrees. And that is the cosine rule applied. The first thing we need to do in this next question is draw a diagram. So I don't know what this triangle looks like, but it's going to look something like this, where the two shorter sides, they look kind of like this here, right? They look a little bit shorter, and this is my longer side here. What is the measure of the angle between the two shorter sides? So this here. Now I have my shape. I can begin to label them. C is opposite the angle, so let's go A and B here. C squared, this is my cosine rule, equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos theta. So we're going to move this around because we're trying to find cos theta. So cos 2AB cos theta equals A squared plus B squared minus C squared. And actually I can divide both sides here by 2AB, giving me cos theta, A squared plus B squared minus C squared over 2AB, before finally finding the inverse of both cos inverse of whatever this is. So happily I can just substitute into this value, into this equation here. What does that look like? Well, theta equals inverse cos. A squared is 800 squared. 600 squared. Well caught. Plus 700 squared. Subtract 800 squared divided by 2 times 600 over 700, or times 700. All right, let's move this over here. So 600 squared plus 700 squared, and I'm going to subtract 800 squared, giving me 210,000 over 2 times 600 times 700. Lots of zeros. All right, let's copy this answer. 210,000 divided by, paste, 0.25 cos theta, inverse cos 75.52 degrees. What's the measure of the angle? Done.